Hi, I'm Stephen Whitwell, Vice President of Field Development for NeoLife North America. My role is to serve and support you and your business. In this video, we will look at how you can earn income through the dynamic NeoLife compensation plan. As a promoter, you are now able to tap into the incredible earning potential of the NeoLife compensation plan. It is a highly rewarding plan, and in no time at all, you'll be well-versed in how it works. Now, let's dive into how the compensation plan works. The good news is that earning is simple, and there are many ways to earn income from your NeoLife business. First is retail and club member profit. When you buy at wholesale, also called distributor cost, which is the price you pay as a promoter and sell to customers at the suggested retail price, you will earn a 25% profit on each sale. If you sell to club members, you will earn a 15% profit on each sale. Please note, club members with a NeoShip receive a 20% discount, in which case you will earn a 5% profit on each sale. The second part of the compensation plan is the sales volume bonus. You're eligible to earn a sales volume bonus of up to 20% on your orders and the orders placed by all the promoters and club members in your team. Third is the leadership development bonus. When you achieve the director title, you will also earn leadership development bonuses on other directors developed in your downline organization. Fourth is the network development bonus. When you achieve president's team, you qualify for a network development bonus on your entire network. And fifth are incentives. In addition to compensation plan benefits, NeoLife promoters are eligible to earn lucrative incentives, including cash bonuses and travel through our incentives program. Before we dive into each part in detail, I want to encourage you to pause this video and look at our compensation plan document to learn and review some of the important terms and definitions. Knowing these terms and their definition will help as we go into detail. Let's now take a closer look at the sales volume bonus. The more products you and your promoters sell, the more income you can make through the sales volume bonus. The sales volume bonus rewards you not just for your orders, but also for the orders placed by all the promoters and club members in your team. Your sales volume bonus is calculated each month using the percentages shown in the chart. 250 QPV equals a 3% sales volume bonus. 500 QPV equals a 5% sales volume bonus and the rank of manager. 1,000 QPV equals a 10% sales volume bonus and the rank of senior manager. 2,000 QPV equals a 15% sales volume bonus and the rank of executive manager. 4,000 QPV or higher equals a 20% sales volume bonus and the rank of director. A minimum of 100 personal PV is required to earn a sales volume bonus. The sales volume bonus is paid monthly, and the bonus amount you will earn is calculated using the BB bonus volume you accrue in a sales month. To clarify, your QPV determines your sales volume bonus qualification level and percentage, and that percentage is then calculated by the BV bonus volume you accrue in a sales month to determine your bonus amount. Next, let's look at the leadership development bonus. Here's how it works. When you help others to grow their own director-size NeoLife business, they begin earning top of the chart sales volume bonus of 20%, and your earnings on their volume shifts to leadership development bonus. Leadership development bonus is how NeoLife rewards your leadership role in developing your network of director-size businesses. You earn leadership development bonus on 3 levels of qualified directors. Let's look at our leadership development bonus chart. As you advance up the world team to 3 Ruby Director, your bonus percentages grow to 6% on your first level directors, 4% on your second level directors, and 4% on your third level directors. Now, let's look at the network development bonus. What is a network development bonus? Well, as you continue to take advantage of the power of duplication, adding new directors and helping your group develop directors in their networks, you will achieve 4 Ruby Director title, which makes you a member of the elite president's team, and you begin earning your network development bonus. 4 Ruby Directors and above earn their network development bonus on their entire network's organizations through unlimited levels, down to and including the next director of the same pay status. These network development bonuses are paid in addition to the leadership development bonuses you earn. You can think of the leadership development bonus and the network development bonus as royalties you are earning for helping other people build their own NeoLife businesses. The best part of the NeoLife compensation plan is you help yourself by helping others. The bigger you build, the more you earn. And last but certainly not least are NeoLife Incentives, which reward and pamper you as your business grows. These exciting incentives are earned in addition to your NeoLife compensation plan earnings we just discussed. Each year, we launch an annual incentive book, which lists the incentives available, such as the 3 for Free program, where you can earn over $400 in free products each month. The Car Bonus program, where you can earn an extra $150 to $1,000 per month. Our Step Up bonus, where you can earn an extra bonus of $1,000 to $40,000 when you step up to the World Team and President's Team. And of course, our travel incentives like Leadership School to the Brassfield Family Winery, our World Team Vacation, and the Ultimate Diamond Lifestyle Trip. In closing, we're excited for you to take advantage of all the exciting and rewarding opportunities in NeoLife.